is October and I am super excited to see what is in this Ipsy Boxycharm because I'm hoping for something a little spooky. Now, I'll be honest, it has already been opened and I believe I've peeked in, but I don't remember a thing. Maybe I have Halloween amnesia, hard to say. So let's get into this Boxycharm by Ipsy and see if it's going to hold up to some boxes previously that were really good, high quality, loved them. But every now and again, we can get a bit of a dud. Let's unbox this and see what we have. Oh, I love when we get all spooky. You guys know I enjoy some Halloween festivities. I love doing my Halloween specials every year. Let me know in the comments below if you are wanting to see one this year. Ooh, work your magic. Is it weird that I hang on to these because in the mornings after I do like a mist setting spray, I like to like fan myself, act like I'm next to a pool cabana with umbrellas and just somebody fanning me? Is that weird? All right, let's jump in here. The first thing in the box. What do we got here? Ooh, Dew of the Gods. This is a vitamin blend body lotion, pumpkin sugar cookie. Deeply hydrates and nourishes. You guys, I gotta smell this. I need scissors. I need something sharp. If you're curious, Dew of the Gods is a brand that is vegan and cruelty-free. We love to see it. It's all over the packaging. Gloasis is here to drench your skin in next level hydration. The bottle is so pretty. Why does that matter? It really doesn't, but it kind of does because you want it to be aesthetically pleasing. And I love seeing a pump. Does this have a cover? It even has a cover. They spent extra to have a cover. Not bad for packaging, actually. That's pretty smart. Our hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E base was formulated to give you a full body glow up in a bottle. I will be the judge of that. All right, you gotta turn it in order to get it to do the pumping. Ooh, that's a big amount for one little dose. That's nice and thick, but it spreads beautifully, definitely seeping into the skin. I haven't even smelled it yet. That should have been the first thing. Oh, that's delicious. Oh, I'm gonna smell so yummy. Adam, you're welcome. You get the spice immediately when you smell it. You start with the spice, then you have the undertones of like pumpkin. So it's like a little cinnamony like spice, and then the pumpkin hits you, and then the cookie smell hits you. It kind of comes in those layers. But it's so good. Oh, dang. It's a vitamin blend pumpkin sugar cookie. I am here for this right now. I kind of wish I would have gotten this in the beginning of the month. As we know, it is middle of the month. So if you already have your box, I'm just putting it on me. As you can see, I'm literally slathering it up. If you already have your box, tell me, does this smell last all day? Because I need this to last. Because this is giving me all of those pumpkin fall vibes, which I love getting something like this in October because I'm going to wear this all of October and into November, which as we know is my birthday month and we have so much fun here. So if you are new here, hit that subscribe button to come hang out with us. This smells so good. So good. I love that it has quality ingredients in it as well. Yes, my friends, let me know if you got this, if you got your Boxycharm this month. I feel like I'm stuck on this product because it's so good. And there's so much of it too. I mean, this is a 100 milliliter, 3.38 ounces. We'll take it. I love the packaging too. And if I'm traveling, I can put this right back on here to help keep it all secure. We love functional packaging. Next, what else do we have in here? I did open up something that does have bubble wrap. Spoiler alert. And we love seeing bubble wrap here because we have seen many a powder products crush to death and ruin our vibe. So we are so happy to see that in there. Now, what is this? Okay, we have more pumpkin. Okay, it is pumpkin season. Pureless Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm. All right, so I'm going to assume the packaging is just as pretty. And oh, look at that. It is. Now for a cleansing balm, I'm wondering the thickness. Oh, we have a little spatula. This is what the cleansing balm looks like. The question is, how does it smell? The chai is definitely feeling a little on top of the notes there. But then you do smell some of the pumpkin. I have a feeling when I use this on my face, because as you know, it's a balm, so it's a thicker product. So you're going to be working that into your hands with some water as you're rinsing off your face. I will use this tonight and I will report back to let you know what do I think of this baby, because I am pretty excited about it. As you guys know, I now work in an office where I'm wearing a lot more of the makeup that I want to last all day. So when it comes to end of the day, taking it off, I need something that is going to protect my skin. And I do love that this says it removes dirt, impurities, and makeup, preserving the skin's natural oils, leaving it hydrated and refreshed. Because I do have sensitive skin and I tend to lean a little bit oily. So I'm really particular. You guys know I'm super sensitive skinned. So I really love when something is a product that won't dry me out or strip my oils, because that does break me out and give me cysts. We're not doing that. Nay, nay. Next, I'm gonna pull out something right on top that you guys already got a spoiler for because it came in bubble wrap. We love to see it. I was really curious what kind of palette this would be. And this feels like something we would get in a bag, not a box, to be honest with you. Because this is a small astral eyeshadow palette from Lithe? How do you pronounce this brand? There is some beautiful shades in here, very neutral, easy breezy. This would be something you could obviously travel with. However, this for me was a bit underwhelming when I did open it the first time. I do love that there is a mirror here. We love some quality packaging. And if something is gonna be travel size, I prefer it to have a mirror, because a lot of times while I'm traveling, I'm not gonna have a quality handheld mirror. So having something close is nice. However, I'm looking at these. I have not touched or swatched them yet. I don't know how I feel about this, because I'm trying to decide, will I use this product or should I gift it away? Because this is something that I need to be mindful of with my eyeshadow palettes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, sitting on my vanity right this second are all of these eyeshadow palettes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just bought this one from ColourPop. It's the Going Coconuts. I wanted it for fall, so I got it. I've thought about it for years. I finally did it. But it's because I have these on my desk because my drawer down there is so stuffed. It is so full. I need to do a declutter. We're gonna be honest about it. I have a lot of eyeshadows. I'm not exactly like needing, like I just said, I bought this eyeshadow palette. It's very neutral. You see a lot of the similar shades in here that you do in here, my friends, but you know, in a formula I already know and I already can trust. These shimmers intrigue me, I'm not gonna lie, because as I'm looking at these, that's what's making me wanna swatch it. But the mattes, I'm not sure about just glancing at them. I don't know, for me, I'm also just like, should I gift this away when I already know I have so much in my collection that I love, and small palettes can tend to get lost for me. You guys know I've talked about it for a long time. It did come with a box. So for now, I'm just gonna tuck her in here. 2 more products in here, and what is this? We've got some brushes, which is probably for the best because I'm not gonna lie, I have not washed my brushes in a minute. These are, I'm honestly not sure how to say this name. It's just Eczema. And it's their Blend Pro eyeshadow brushes. There is a perfect brush, an angle brush, a smooth brush, a large brush, and a crease brush. I don't know why I'm just showing you in the packaging when I could open it. I have to say they look really beautiful. I like the handles. I like the gold. I'm trying to decide how I like the feel. Oh, I like the feel. I think they're pretty soft, but they still have some sturdy bristles to them. Bristles, I'm calling them bristles. They seem pretty nice. I also like that they have one here for some sparkles, because they do have some sparkles in this palette, but I also have some other shimmers that I'd love to play with that with. Or you could definitely also use this for a concealer possibly. Ooh, this brush is gonna come in clutch for a lot of my like shadow liners that I've been doing for the fall. I could totally see that. I'm pretty excited about these, not mad about it at all. And I do feel like it's been a while since we've gotten some brushes, so this actually makes me pretty excited. And the last thing in the box, I have already opened but forgot what it is. Oh, it is a Rare Beauty blush. Now here's the thing. The shade I got was Believe. I believe this may be too dark for me. This just, I don't see how this color of a blush is going to work on my fairer skin tone. I really don't. I could be wrong. This still might be something I try, but I feel like if I do, I'm going to have to try it on camera so you can see it. Do I swatch it? Do I not? Do I swatch it? Do I not? I'm going through that motion right now of like, you're already thinking about donating the palette. Should you donate this? No, I really want to try it. Let's just do a swatch here on the hand. Now, as as you may or may not know, I'm just gonna assume maybe you don't, the Rare Beauty blushes are super pigmented. They are boom in your face. I actually decluttered one a couple years ago, I think. Oh my gosh, this looks like lipstick right now because it was too intense. Are we sure this is not a lipstick? Look at this. Did I read it right? It's called a dewy blush. Okay. We gotta spread it. We gotta do the things. We gotta do all the things. Okay, actually, this could be pretty. Okay, I'm gonna have to try it for work. I'm gonna have to try it. Do you wanna see it maybe in a Halloween video? Because it does look extremely intimidating. Am I wrong? Would you immediately assume you could put this on your fair skin if you have it? All right, we're gonna have to test it out and find out. But this is definitely gonna be in the try pile. Now, as far as value goes, I'm gonna do a little math for you real quick. This Dew of the Gods is 32 bucks. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Really glad I got this in a subscription because I don't know if I would spend that much on it, but I love it. So glad to have got it here. It looks like this Pureless Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm was trending last fall. So, and you can find it a bunch of different places apparently. I'm just trying to find a cost. Looks like the cost of this could be $36. So that's also very pricey. Looks like this Rare Beauty blush is $25. This brush set for all of these babies is only 18 bucks. Not a bad price. And it looks like this Lithe palette, this astral eyeshadow palette is $25, bringing us to a total of $136 for this entire box. I feel like that's a pretty decent value considering the cost of the subscription, and you get to pick some if you are a member, but you don't get to pick all. Tell me what you think. Was this a wow month, or was this just an okay month, or was this just a dump month? That this was just like a dump the chump type of month. I'm pretty pleased with the products. Some things I'm unsure about, but I'm willing to try. Some things I'm super excited about. Let me know, do you still get Boxycharm? Did you get some of the things I got? Did you get totally different things? I love hearing it from you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.